This is app which I created for our class. This is called a dental app. This is mainly focused for patients with multiple dental problems. It helps them to understand the specialties in dentistry so that they can choose the correct doctor whom they want to go and see. And also this is for aspiring students who would like to get into the dental field, for them to know the different branches of dentistry, for them to get motivated and then go ahead and then study that particular field in the future. And I've just put in some basic dental emergencies that normally we see in day-to-day life, so that it will give an out picture of what those dental emergencies are. And then you can click on this interesting dental facts, which can take you to a website which gives you various interesting dental facts, which is really fun to read. And then I've just put in another page where you can get to know inside of your teeth. That is, you can see only outside, right? Whereas this clearly shows what is inside your teeth and how the teeth is arranged by layer, so that it will give an idea of the structure of the teeth. First, let's go to the dental specialist. I'm going to click on the dental specialist link. That is going to take me to the different specialties of dentistry. You can see here it is there are endodontists, then oral maxillofacial pathologist, pedodontist, oral maxillofacial surgeon, periodontist, dental public health, and then prosthodontist. Now, if you click each and every link, say for example, let me choose endodontist. That is going to take me to another page, which is going to tell what an endodontist do. Normally, I don't want to brief about this slide because it's for your reference. If you want to click on each and every specialty, that will take you to a different slide which will explain what those doctors can do. And then I just put in some pictures to show, this is about a broken teeth with which an endodontist can fix very easily, because he's also takes care of cosmetic treatment. And this is about the root canal. How a root canal is done, on which kind of teeth, and after root canal what happens, it shows clearly. This just gives an idea to the patient what he's undergoing. Definitely the doctor must be explaining it to the patient, but this will give a visual representation of what the doctor has to do. Now when you want to go back again to the main screen, all you need to do is click on the home screen. That will take you to the different specialties which I have shown. Similarly, if you click on prosthodontist, let's see what a prosthodontist can do. This clearly shows a prosthodontist can make replaces missing teeth, and then the explanation is given in here. And then these are all the visual representations to show how an implant will look like. Normally implants are done by either prosthodontists or periodontists or oral surgeons. All of them can do the implants. So now again, going back to the home screen, if you want to click on oral and maxillofacial surgeon, that will take you to another page where it says what a oral and maxillofacial surgeon does. So this gives an idea to the user regarding the different specialties in dentistry, which I thought for a common people it's good for them to know, instead of going through a dictionary or something like that, or getting to know from somebody. So this app I thought will be good for people with multiple dental problems, who can decide or choose the correct doctor which they need to see for their dental problems. Now let's go back to the home screen again, and let me go back to the main screen. So you click on this back button. That will take you to the main screen, where you can choose your navigate from here regarding the different things. Now talking about dental emergencies, let's go see what this app has to give us. Oops, I'm sorry. This is let me make it Okay, so this talks about the common dental emergencies which anybody can come across in their life. So I started with a toothache, a sports injury, a soft tissue injury, wisdom teeth, jaw fractures, broken denture, loose crown, and multiple ulcers. So you want to know what each one is about. Say, for example, you click on sports injury. That will take you to another page where it says what a sports injury, how a sports injury can happen, and what should be done to prevent. You can see, I forgot his name. There is a basketball player. He's wearing a mouth guard to protect his teeth, the front teeth especially. This is very common during contact sports. So it's a must that they should protect their front teeth or, with a mouth guard. Now let's go back again and see what other problems we can see. Say, for example, you can say the common one is the toothache. So now you can see the inside of your teeth and what happens, how you get the pain. Say, for example, see, this is a cavity, what you see here. When it goes deeper and deeper and touches the nerves and the blood vessels of the tooth, I think I will show you another anatomy of the tooth where you can see the inside of the teeth. So this clearly shows how toothache happens. See, this is called the abscess, where your pus accumulates at the tip of the root, which is inside the bone. You can see it from outside, but once this gets bigger and bigger, you develop severe pain because there is a pressure on the nerves here. So this clearly shows the patient how he gets that pain. It's better to understand this so that it will help in preventing stuff from happening. Say, for example, you take care of your teeth well and do not allow cavities to develop so deep, then obviously these things can be avoided. So it gives a picture, and then I've just written why this pain can come. What are all the causes that can that can do this, and then let's go back home. Then I've talked about mouth ulcers. Say, for example, you want to know about it, click on it, and then you can see how a mouth ulcer will look like and what are all the causes that can, the factors that can cause a mouth ulcer. So this is kind of an educational app for the patient, or anybody who wants to know about the dental problems. They can go through this app. Now let's go back home again. Now I've put in a link for interesting dental facts. If you click on that, it is going to take you to another page where a tooth is, it's going to tell, click to know interesting facts about me. So let me click on that, see what happens. It is going to take you to another website. So that this is going to show you the different dental facts. Say, for example, you want to go through this. Okay, let me click on this and see. So it's taking some time to load. Let's see what it says. Say this kind of says what are 10 benefits of straight teeth, and then what all this it gives. It helps in clear speech, easier eating, and those kind of stuff. So now if you want to go back, you can just close this and then go back. 10 benefits. Go back to the